Hi, this is a short tutorial on how to access units of instruction on the STEMucationAcademy.com website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and type in STEMucationAcademy.com as it's shown up here into your browser, and it will take you to the start page on STEMucationAcademy.com. Go ahead and click on Units, and this will take you to the search page. The first thing you'll notice here at the top is this search box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a way to zoom in or zoom out. If you hold your control key down and press the plus sign, this will blow things up. If I hit control minus, okay, the same thing except in the reverse direction. So what I'd like to do is to show you some features of this particular page. Again, here's a search box at the top. At the bottom here, we've got a number of links that you can use. I won't elaborate on each one of these, but we do provide links to other sources of material, including Teach Engineering, Engineering's Elementary Science Buddies. An older website that the University of Cincinnati has on their website is this SEAMS Math and Science Units. We are currently in the process of transferring units from this website to the website that we're showing you here today. So let's get started with the search. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look for middle school science units. And if I just type in middle school science, and if I hit the enter key, what it'll do is it'll go out and it'll look for middle school science units. And the way it finds those is through this tagging system that we use here. So in this particular case, it brings up a whole list. Okay. Notice at the bottom of the page here, you've got 11 pages of information. So there's a lot of units under middle school science. One of the things that we've done here, we've got two different formats. One is a wiki format, which I'll show you first, and then we'll look at a text format. So let's take a look at this Got Lab Safety unit right here. So this is typically what you would see for the wiki format. It shows you a summary of what the unit is about, the essential question, the challenge, and lastly, who's the target audience in this case. You'll also see either a video, as it is in this case right here, or you'll find a poster. Sometimes the teacher did not develop a video for that particular unit, so in that case we provide a poster that provides summary information for that particular unit. If you want to see the kind of a synopsis of the unit, play the video. You can use this full screen mode here, so you can enlarge that. At the bottom of the page here, we've got a link to the unit plan. I'm going to click on that. And basically what that does is it shows you the unit plan document. And that is a number of pages long. Kind of gives you a summary of what the unit is about. And that's one way for you to determine whether this unit might be suitable for your classroom. Now I'm going to go back here again. And the other link is actually the unit page. Now this is where we store all of the unit documents. The first unit in this case, or first document in this case, is the unit plan. The unit plan is typically designated by these zeros here, point zeros, point zero. In this case, it was the teacher's third unit, okay? Third unit, and the activities are listed below this, okay? The numbering system is structured so that the order that you would present them in the classroom is the order that you would read them down the list. There are a number of things like pre-test and post-test. There might be activity sheets and so on. At the bottom, typically you'll find a poster for the unit that provides kind of a summary of what the unit is about. If you want to download these units or activities, you can just click on the download arrow here. Here's a PDF document. If I want to see what's in that particular document, I would just click on it, it'll download it, and then open it up. So in this particular case, it just happens to be a PDF version of the unit plan. That's the wiki format. We're constantly converting more and more units to this format here. So at the current time, we've got a little over 300 units out on our website. Now, I'm going to go way back here, and what I'm going to do is show you the other format. So Bear with me just a second here. And if I go to page 10, and what I'm going to look for is a unit that I know is in what I call the text format. And in this particular case, the title energy unit is in that particular format. And what you'll see here, in fact, I'm going to hit a control minus here a couple times. There's a video, there's a poster, and everything is now in more of a text format. There are a number of hyperlinks. Here's a hyperlink to the activities for this particular unit. Further down on this page, you see some other hyperlinks. So in this particular case, one of the things you could do is you could copy and paste this text to a Word document and so on. May require a little bit more work than the previous format, where you can just typically download the units. So we'll stop here. That's really about it for searching for units. Again, if you want to search for a unit, you want to go to the search box, type in a search term, things like science, if you want to look for science, and that search term provides you 18 pages of units, so it's a little bit broad. Maybe you want to look for physics, and in that case it's a little bit narrower search. Now you see you've only got 2 pages, so you can give it a try. Best way to work with this and figure out how it works is to try it. So give it a try, and good luck. If you'd like to get a hold of us, our email address is teacherpd@STEMucationacademy.com. If you'd like to go to our website, simply type in STEMucationacademy.com into your web browser, and it will take you to our start page. Thanks for listening.